Now, I don't want to gas myself up too much, but I think I did pretty good. Hold on.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. It's another hit, it's another hit. Get up on it, I'm so horny, and I want it, so get up on it, get up on the dick.
Hey Vixen community, and for those who are new, welcome to the PlusSizeVixen YouTube channel. As y'all saw in the title, we doing something different. I usually do try on hauls, makeup tutorials, vlog, but this time around we gonna try on this lace front wig. I have a passion to this lace front wig that I definitely want to try on. Now I know you probably saying like, sis, why you trying on a wig? Well, initially I wanted to get my hair braided, but after contacting multiple braiders and hairstylists, and they need $400, your hair gotta be washed, blow dried, trimmed, and ready to braid, I was like, And since I'm not a braider myself, I said, let me see how this wig gonna give what it give. At least I could take it on and take it off when I want to, and we can keep it pushing and still be cute for the summer and have a protective hairstyle. So if y'all ready, I'm ready to try on this lace front wig and see if it's giving what it's giving. Now let's get into the wig. The wig is by Cloud9 and it's Swiss lace wig. It's 100% hand braided lace front wig. This is the wig. This is the picture. The wig costed $110. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. At first I wanted my hair to be crochet, but I noticed in the packs they was giving like about this much hair, and it was $10. So I came to the conclusion, by the time I buy 10 to 15, you see this big old head, by the time I buy 10 to 15 packs of hair, I might as well just get a lace front wig. So let's get ready to open it up. Again, this is it. Let's see. It's in there. So here's the wig. I can definitely say it's a full wig. This is the lace front. Y'all see that? And it got like baby hairs. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've never been a fan of baby hairs, but look, I guess that's the part. This is the body. It's really full. And again, the brand is Swiss Lace. Cloud9 Swiss Lace. And these are passion twists, 28 inches. So it's long, it's full. I'm nervous, y'all. And I got my my spray. I'm gonna spray the inside to make it more like natural looking. But since we just trying it on, you know, oh, and it has the band. It has an adjustable band, and it has the combs. So anytime I do a lace front, I use this spray. It's a lace front tint spray. It's golden. And again, I'm gonna open it up, spray some on the lace. It has 3 combs, I noticed. 2 here, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. And it has an adjustable strap. So let me spray it down first. See that? Give it a more realistic effect. All right, that's good. So let me get ready to take off this good old bonnet. You see I got a glittery one. So we can, you know, get it started. Now I ain't professional yet. I already got my braids in. I got like 4 cornrows. And I got me a stocking cap on. I don't do ball caps because I ain't that professional yet. But let's cut this off. This is the tag. Alright. Get her off, put her down. Sometimes I keep these tags. Sometimes I just like take a picture of it. So, you know, if I really did like it. Let's see what we doing here. Alright, let's get our lives together here. Let's get it together. I could definitely say. So this is the wig on. I was just playing with it to see like how I could part it. See, I don't think I'm feeling the middle part, so I might be doing it more to the side. Does that look so bad? I could definitely say this hair is full, honey. You cannot say they did not make sure this was nice and thick. It's giving me Poetic Justice vibes. I didn't cut the lace yet, but y'all can see the baby hairs that are there. I think I like it a little bit better to the side. Let me look in my other mirror. I think once I cut it, yeah, I could work with this. I could work with this. So, I'm going to try some because I always see the girls on TikTok with this. So, okay. And let me do, they usually say cut it in 3. Okay. Look at me thinking I'm professional and I'm not. Hold on, did I cut my skin? Hold on. Ooh, I think I got myself a little bit. I think I was too close on the skin. But we gonna get that together. So let's get the scissors and let's cut this part off. Make sure there's no baby here. Hold on. Now let's cut the rest off. I had to learn real quick that you gotta lift this up from your skin. Mind you guys, I never did this before. So, you know, this is a learning process. I'm trying to keep the baby hairs away so I don't cut that off. Yes. So we got that piece hanging. And let's do the other side. So we safe and all better. Made a little mistake, but we're learning. So since I'm not keeping this on, I usually put a little bit of this. I spray it across and then I'm going to pull it down. We just going to fan it out. And again, this is what I use. This is like a bond. Spray another layer. And we just gonna fan it out. And pull it back down and do these baby hairs, sis. Look, so we got it down. I haven't got the baby hairs down yet, but it's already giving a look. I'm nervous. Bear with me. So this is my edge control that I got. It's 24-hour tamer. As you see, I try to use some fun. This is my brush. So I mean, I don't know if I should have looked at a tutorial, but we just gonna do something cute. I ain't gonna be swooping it up. I think I'm gonna do two. I think I'm gonna do something going like this and something going this way. So let's kind of separate the baby hairs. Yeah, I think that's what we gonna do. So let me get a little bit. Please don't judge the way I do baby hairs, because honey, this is, I don't know, I don't want to sound old. Now, I don't want to gas myself up too much, but I think I did pretty good. Hold on, let me get a little more control. We trying to Janet Jackson these edges. We trying to give it control. I think that's pretty, I mean, I think it's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. Hold on, I'm trying to like get it into a style a little bit. Yes, I think these edges is pretty good. It ain't swoop to the gods, but it's swooping, girl. I like them. So I want to show y'all the back. So I'm going to take my mirror that I have and kind of, let me see if this works. Nah, that ain't working. That ain't working. That's an epic fail. I just want to show y'all the body it has in it. Hold on. Let me turn around. Like, do y'all see the fullness of it? So I think it's really giving, and I usually just finish off my wigs with a light oil sheen, nothing too heavy. And honey, if you ain't know no better, it looked like I spent that $300-400 at the salon. Y'all better. I can't even lie to y'all. I was nervous. I really thought this was gonna look like bulky, heavy, crazy, but it really looks like I sat in a salon and got my hair done. Like, granted, it's a wig, let's not forget, but it's giving the illusion. It's giving what it said it should be given. And I really, really like this. Like, I mean, the only thing that sucks is if I want to do like water stuff, I definitely could. If I just want to go to the beach and be cute and sit there, yeah. Definitely gonna find a tutorial, maybe how to do these edges a little better. But I think I did a pretty good job on my edges. Because I feel like I'm a sweater. I don't know about y'all, but I didn't want to put too much on it and then it's like messing up. But this came out really, really nice. Really, really nice. And listen, shout out to this company, Cloud9. I know this is not a sponsored video. I took my own coins to buy this, but I'm happy I did invest because I kept saying I want braids in my hair. And when these salons are talking about this much damage, I ain't mad. Get y'all coin. But right now, I'm trying to budget these coins. So I had to scale back. But I really love this. Again, this is Passion Twist 28-inch. I showed y'all the front, the back. It had baby hairs. The lace was so easy to take off. Again, if you use one of these, like I just learned, be careful, not too close. Had to learn the hard way. Kind of nicked myself, but we got it together. And y'all will definitely see me in this here again in some upcoming videos I got coming up. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, comment below. Again, I'm gonna leave the name and the brand of it. And honey, I'm gonna tell you to go get it, honey, if you're trying to say that coin. So this is my first lace front try on haul. I guess we could definitely stay tuned for more. Let me just go over one more time the products I use. This is what I use for my edge control. This is what I use for the lace tint. This is what I use just to hold down the lace. And my famous, I love this oil Sheen. I'm going to list all these products below. Again, if you enjoying these videos, definitely subscribe to the Plus Size Vixen YouTube channel. And again, we have the no other than Amazon plus size swimsuit haul coming up next. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And honey, I feel like I should be on the Caribbean with this kind of hair. Like, I don't know about y'all, but when I get braids or just think about braids, I feel like I should be on vacation. I shouldn't even be home. I should be packing a bag. But it's coming soon. So until next time, y'all.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, it's another hit.